G'day crew, if you're new to our channel, I'm Adam.
And I'm Ciara. We're travelling the big lap around and about Australia in our caravan with our Kelpie dog Reef.
Can't wait to share the adventures with you. When we were planning our next stop in 1770, Reef mentioned a caravan spot to check out. As soon as we arrived, we figured out why. The puppy dog Prince was happy to be staying at the Reef.
Relax. You be nice. Well, I think that answers the question if we should get an aviary at our next place. Reef feels like chicken tonight. Like chicken tonight. Love the signs here for the amenities. Men to the left, as women are always right.
No, they're not.
G'day.
G'day. So we're at 1770. I never knew there was a town called after numbers.
Yeah. So
And, we found a gym, so we're going to go do a little quick workout first thing in the morning.
sort of. We'll have a play.
Yeah.
But yeah, 1770, because that's when Captain Cook landed here.
Yep, I knew that.
Birthplace of Queensland, apparently. First spot they came to.
Yeah.
But yeah, meant to be good beaches and bush camps and stuff like that. We're in a caravan park because, yeah, why not?
Well, it's named after Reef.
True,
so
yeah, we'll go with
we
that.
saw that and we thought, have to go there for a bit.
Yeah, so we're going to explore around 1770 and Agnes Waters town. And
Hopefully go to the beach.
yeah, maybe beach
Go for a
day.
dip.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Just need some WD-40.
It's so awkward.
Alright, so getting our quick fitness in for the day.
Child 5 to 12.
That's good.
Pump it up. So this is where the dump point is and water fill station, and there's an off-lead dog park, which is why Reef's running amok. I think the dump point's over there, but yeah, this is where we're going to come to because there's not a dump point in our caravan park and they're on water restrictions because of the drought and stuff. But yeah.
Ciara needs to work on her dance moves, so she's gonna the old twist.
Oh, you made out that it was really hard.
Maybe you're just a natural at it. What do you reckon, Reef? Mum got it down packed?
Unfortunately, Roundhill Lookout also wasn't dog friendly, so we took turns in checking this place out. It's a shame that it was a really overcast day, so it didn't show the teal colour water.
This one's tucked behind the visitor centre, and we recommend checking out this lookout.
So this is one of the few trails here that you take your dog on, but it's nice and easy, about 500 metres.
2 minutes left, we're nearly there.
Oh, this is much better than where I went. Wow.
That was a long 2 minute walk.
It was.
Oh, heaps longer.
Reef is buggered.
And don't worry, there's a bench seat at the end of the walk just to get your breath back and take in this view. You can head down the trail below the viewing deck and you will also find an even better view, as long as you're not scared of heights.
So I love when you go to a walking trail, you go in one way, out a different way.
Yeah, the old loop around.
A bit more interesting.
So it's a K loop, this trail that we're doing.
Yeah.
And then obviously the lookout's in the middle of it. And yeah, you got a couple of these bench seats along the way.
If you need a rest.
If you need it.
Quite nice and shaded too.
So you've got plenty of signs along the trail to keep yourself
On track.
on track so you're not getting lost. 500 metres that way to the lookout if you want to go do that.
We're out of here.
Yeah. To the what?
Thanks for coming along. On the way back to the car, we came across these two telegraph poles with great artwork on them. Check this out. I reckon the manta rays look best, but we might be biased since we've got a manta ray caravan. $17.70 is the perfect location for your beach holiday. We did find it hard though to find dog-friendly activities while we were here. So we headed back to the caravan park instead, as we heard there was a secret gnome village hidden in the scrub at the back.
This is what you gotta do when you're walking out the bush. Because there's a lot of spiders here. You've got the scaredy cat in the back. Let me go forward like a gentleman. Check out what we've come across. Their own little Gnomesville. If only we knew, we could have brought one of our ones here. Oh, check it out, some shakalaka ones. Hey man, welcome to the party. This one's got adored by everyone. Elvis. Another Elvis at the back. Singing to his pals. What's this guy's problem? around to say hi. Give us a finger. Gotta look up to as well, people.
Good morning. So it is travel day today. So we've had a good time in 1770.
Yeah, beautiful spot.
Yeah.
It was nice.
But yeah, we're headed further up the coast. We're going to go on the outskirts of Gladstone and we'll explore that area before going further north again.
So it's off-grid this time, so
yeah,
won't be hooked up.
So we've filled the water tanks, we've done the usual packing up of the caravan and we're ready to go.
Let's get out of here.
Everything off the benches, except my little coffee cup to go. So we hit the road for a short journey this time, heading up the coast just shy of an hour-and-a-half journey. A good tip is to join local camping Facebook groups as you move through each state. That's how we found a recommendation for this spot, like camping in Queensland, camping in South Australia, you know. So this is our beautiful next campsite. So we've gone unpowered, but they do give you a key to your own private ensuite, which is just up there. Little green shed. And a beautiful view. So our site is unpowered, but you do get a key to your own private ensuite instead of a communal block.
Yeah, so you don't have to use our one in the caravan, you can walk.
A normal size shower. But yeah, nice surprise, so we're gonna go check it out.
Places.
Just imagine your single bed there and you can go off to work.
Oh, brings back memories.
5 days. Aircon in here, so while you're doing a poop in the shed. Hang on.
So Ciara, that's not where you poo. Alright.
Oh good.
It's in here. It's in here. Alright.
Look at this. Oh, the luxury. Wow.
It was a super quiet caravan park with heaps of space and a great pool. This is the biggest DVD library that we've come across so far on the lap. We thought we'd walked into a Video Easy store for a second.
On the way back to our caravan, we had a furry friend come say hi and wanted to tag along with us. Luckily, he was friendly as he was off lead and no owner in sight.
thought I'd sneak off and get a cheeky fish in before doing my camp chores.
So Reef is just inspecting the firewood.
She's turned.
You gonna chop some up for us, Reef?
Yeah.
You gonna chop some up so we can have marshmallows?
So one way not to chop your toes off.
Is don't give it to the dog. You're so nosy, you're getting right up in your grill. He's learning.
One eternity later.
Showing off and you're going to chop yourself. So everyone else here has got their fires going because the sun has set. However, the call of the fishing rod has got Adam good. It's Reef patiently guarding the firewood, ready to go. And that little speck is Adam. We want marshmallows. So Adam's just taking his turn in the ensuite and I'm getting started on breakfast. Doing an omelette thing, scrambled eggs with veg and bacon, and then coffee, and we'll hopefully hit the road and go explore some nearby towns. So it's no longer an omelette because I dropped it when I flipped it, so it's a scrambled mix. Doesn't look good, but it tastes good. So we are going to head into Gladstone today. We're going to do some errands and it looks like it's going to rain anyway. But there's a couple of lookouts and a park we can take Reef to, so we'll check it out.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. And think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting.
It's time to go for that shower kill.
Hilarious.
If I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine.
Fish out of water. It's two of them.
Oh yeah, they kind of got legs. It was cool seeing the ferry and boats in the river, but we were more captivated by the crabs and the walking fish on the bank.
It's quiet when we both are sober, but 2 drinks.
You can book a tour on this museum ship, but dogs aren't allowed and the tours only operate on the weekend. Seeing as we visited on a Tuesday, we just read from the info boards and viewed from the outside. Forgot to bring some popcorn.
Shame I don't have the footy on at least.
Back at the caravan park, we explored more around the riverbank and checked out a few more fishing spots for me to try out.
You a good puppy dog? You good boy.
You better write out today's date.
We thought this was a croc because we're just spooked now. It's a rock. Rock. Where is he? Where is he? Is he still fishing? He won't come back. He loves it so much. Oh yeah. Back at it. Too cold and rainy. I'm not going. Oh, you're stuck. Too excited. You got all tangled. We caught a reef.
Oh, hello.
How'd you go?
Yeah, good. Just caught them all.
Yeah, nice. Where are they?
I just left them down there for all the other people coming with their boats, so I just gave them to them.
Yeah, okay. Don't see any boats.
Oh, they're down that way.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's a bit of a hill there. G'day.
We're down at Tannum Sands.
So it's about a 10-minute drive from where we're staying at the moment.
Super quick, nice little town.
Yep. So just found a nice little park, and they got exercise equipment all the way around it. So we're just going to have to do each one.
It's this morning's challenge.
Yeah.
But
Morning workout.
looks like a really nice area. It's a bit of a rainy, drizzly day, so there's
Yeah.
not much else to do around here at the moment.
Very overcast, but yeah, close to the beach. So
If it was better
perfect
weather.
day. You're not doing the easiest one there is. Heights! It's like ankle height. This is all she had to do. It even has a handrail for it, for the old people. Reef, come here you. You'd even do it, won't you?
Why didn't I get that one? What was this meant to actually do?
To work on your airbending skills. So seeing I did that one, Ciara has to do the next one, which is, looks like it. Let's see how this goes. She's running to it in a walky sort of way.
I wasn't interested, so Reef took one for the team and did some parkour at the next obstacle.
So we are off grid, but we've run out of water early, so we've just popped down to top up the tank we got in the back of the collie, which we'll take back to the caravan. So this is the water fill station, and Adam doing a good job there. Say hi to the people. And Reef's happy to tag along. I don't know about the name of that diner.
Red Rocket.
And a big giraffe.
Just our luck. We found this sign further away from the tap area saying that the water was not drinkable in the park, right after filling our whole tank.
Looks like you're in the doghouse.
Where's the keys? Let me out.
Hey, puppy. You're trapped.
So we decided it wasn't worth the risk, so we flushed out the tank and drove back to Tenham Sands Beach to fill up the tank again, this time with definite drinkable water signs in place. Seeing as it was so late by the time we got back to camp, we waited around until the next morning to fill the caravan tank, as the pump was pretty loud and we didn't want to disturb the other neighbours. Today is the day we're shipping out, so we've been staying at the Boyne River Tourist Park, which has been amazing, especially if you like to have a fish. So Adam's loving it. But yeah, we're just getting ready to ship out. Adam's over at the shower block and I'm just making brekkie. So we are obsessed with this really unhealthy cheese. It's called like burger slices, just like the Kraft singles, but like a burger flavour. So good. Bacon and eggs coming up soon. Kettle, Reef's ready to go, and yeah, we'll have to say goodbye to that view.
We'll see you next time when we're exploring around and about.
Thanks for watching, guys.